Hi friends, in second video we try to use some formula in degree of freedom. So this is a for pin joint. Okay, so here lower kinematic pair. So what is lower kinematic pair? If the nature of contact is surface or area type, then this is known as a lower kinematic pair. If surface contact or area contact, then this is LKP. Okay, example: hinge, pin joint, bearing contact, screw contact. So many example of lower kinematic pair. And higher kinematic pair, if the nature of contact is line or point, then this is known as higher kinematic pair. Example: gear, cam. So many example of higher kinematic pair. So lower kinematic pair having degree of freedom 1 if pin joint, and degree of constant DOC, degree of constant is 2. Degree of constant equals to 2 and degree of freedom equals to 1 in LKP. Higher kinematic pair having degree of freedom 2 and degree of constant 1. So friends, for lower kinematic pair, degree of freedom low, here 1 and constant 2. But higher kinematic pair, it will be high, degree of freedom it will be high, here you see 2. So friends, we use degree of freedom calculation formula, Gabler's criteria. Gabler's criteria, given degree of freedom equals to what? 3 in simple bracket n minus 1 minus 2l minus h. N number of link, L number of lower kinematic pair, and H number of higher kinematic pair. So degree of freedom equals to what? 3 n minus 1 minus 2l minus h. Okay. In general friend, in space 3 degree of freedom, in space it having 3 degree of freedom. Okay, and what? This is a number of link, and if you fixed one link, then n minus 1. If we fixed one link, n minus 1 minus 2l, l equals to what? In mechanism one links are fixed. Okay, and 2l in a lower kinematic pair, degree DOC equals to what? 2. Degree of constant equals to 2, so 2l. And in higher kinematic pair, this is degree of constant equals to 1, so 1h. So this is a formula, and this formula is given by Gabler's criteria. Okay, this is Gabler's criteria. But friends, this formula is observed by Kurzbach. It for simple machine, friends, you see my words, look here my words, what I am saying. Kurzbach observed that for simple machine where control system is also simple, where controlling system is also simple, it is very difficult to control the motion of higher kinematic pair. Okay, there is a very difficult. So according to Kurzbach criteria, for simple machine, it is assumed that there is no higher kinematic pair. It is no use. Okay, so for Kurzbach criteria, this formula will become simple, and here h equals to 0, because in this criteria higher kinematic pair controlling is very difficult. So h equals to 0 here assume. So friends, for Kurzbach criteria for simple machine, h equals to 0. So degree of freedom equals to what? 3 n minus 1 minus 2l. This is simple. For simple machine, you know degree of freedom equals to 1. You know. Friends, in my back video we discuss this topic. Degree of freedom equals to 1, then it will become simple mechanism. So friends, here simple machine degree of freedom equals to 1, then 1 degree of freedom, look here, put here 1 equals to 3 n minus 1 minus 2l, and after solving this will become 2l minus equals to 3 n minus 4. This is a formula. Okay, so Kurzbach criteria, and you also see Gabler's criteria. Thank you friends.